Good morning, teacher. This is our APE guide number 4 that is about writing FCE exam. Okay, my name is Michelle Reese, and first I'm going to give a feedback. So, the reading exam lasts 1 hour and 15 minutes with 7 parts and 52 questions. Then in the listening exam, we have 40 minutes with 4 parts and 30 questions. And for the speaking exam, we have 14 minutes per pair of candidates with 4 parts and 2 examiners. Okay, now for the written exam, we have 2 parts in total. This exam will last 1 hour and 20 minutes, and we will need to produce 2 different pieces of writing. Okay, here we can see that in the first part of the test, we need to have 140 words at 190 words, and this needs to be an essay. And for the second part, the second test needs to be the same, 140 words to 190 words. And we can write about an article, an informal email or a letter, a formal email or a letter to, or a report. So the examiners will give you a grade based on 4 things, and these 4 things will be the content, communicative achievement, the organization, and the language you are using at the moment of the writing exam.
Hello teacher, this is David Barona. I'm going to talk about Cambridge English First Writing Part 1. Part 1 has only one task. You will, given the side title, give 2 ideas to write about this. Add 1 more idea for your aunt, give an opinion and supporting it with reason, and to write between 140 words to 190 words. Your essay will be assessed according to this. Content, you have completed task in order words if you answer the question. Communicative achievement, how appropriate the writing is for the task and whether you have used formal or informal style appropriately. Organization, the way you put together the piece of writing. Are the ideas logical in order? Have you used paragraphs and linking words? And number 4, language, vocabulary, and grammar. This includes demonstrating the range of language that you know. Prepare to write 1. Review useful language. In writing part 1, you need to show that you can use language appropriately to do things such as agreeing or disagreeing, giving opinions, giving information or explanation, giving reason, giving examples, comparing and contrasting ideas and opinions, and drawing conclusions. You should also use a range of suitable expressions to organize your essays and help your reader understand the connection between your ideas. We have here some expression that you can use. In my opinion of you, no, it's not a good idea, but you can use, however, partly that a thought in addition, first setting, and more. Thank you, teacher. That is all.
Hello, everyone. I'm Maria Salando. I want to talk about part 2 of FCE writing test. In part 2 of FCE writing test, we have 3 questions listed from 2 to 4. You must choose one of the options, the one that is most convenient for you. It is recommended that you choose a topic with which you feel most familiar. You should write a small paragraph between 140 and 190 words in appropriate style, depending on whether it is an easy essay, article, email, or even a report. You must support the arguments in your answers. Thank you.
Hi teacher, my name is Karen Guerrero and I am going to tell you some tips. So the first one says don't use the input material too much. It means that we have only to use the specific information and details. We can use another words. Use a range of complex vocabulary. Here we have to use the formal writing. Don't use the informal one. And finally, check different text types. Conclusions. Do exactly what the question says. We can use another information. Use some tips that I gave you before. Save time to check your writings. We have to be sure what we wrote. Also think as an examiner. And finally, practice to improve your English skills to do a perfect writing and in this test. Finally, here we have the references and that's all. Thank you so much.